Sounds of London town. Anonymous. The London day begins with
the first strings,
the first strands, the first workers, traders and newspapers,
the first birds in Trafalgar Square,
last lights, the last lurkers, the sleepy heads get out of bed and off to work they go. Then the rustle starts, racing taxis, noisy cars, rustle, rushing there, running here and everywhere, people shopping, people looking, people eating, drinking, laughing. And we go by underground. Down we go. Down the escalator.
Down.
down, follow the red light.
Follow the blue light.
This way.
No, I'm sure it's that way. We
Thunder! Through the hollow tunnel of the tube.
Pitter patter,
Pitter patter, pitter patter, pitter patter,
dipper tapper.
Hello.
Keep right.
Keep left.
Pass along the platform.
More room at the front of the train.
Nice bridge. High Park Corner. The Catholic Circus.
We're on our way.
We'll soon be there.
We're on our way.
We'll soon be there.
We're on our way.
We'll soon be there.
Apples, lovely, right? Apples.
Paper. Read all about it.
Chalk ices, lovely chalk ices. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Let's have a
Cup of tea.
Let's have a
Cup of tea.
Let's have a
Cup of tea.
The
Mingle, chitter, chatter over plates of bread and butter and the clink of cups of tea. Gossip, scandal, news and views, dresses, cousins, friends and shoes.
and my latest operation.
Waiter,
Yes, sir. Waiter, coming.
waiter,
Yes, sir. Waiter, coming.
waiter,
Coming.
rush hard. From shops and desks the people come, pressing, pushing on and on.
We've got to get home.
We've got to get home, away from London's crowded streets, back to suburbs, country seats.
We must get away.
We must get away.
On the trains,
Slam the door.
on the racks.
On the floor.
Run.
Like a
Fish and oiling tin. Carrying the paper because of the tin. Pushing and swaying and pushing. Away from the smoky city they go.
Then
The London day ends with
The last trains,
the last trams, the last workers, traders and newspapers,
the last birds in Trafalgar Square,
the first lights, the first lurkers, the sleepy heads get into bed and off to sleep they